How to calibrate your health metric pH meter. The health metric pH meter comes with an instruction booklet, pH meter, and packets of pH buffer powder. The pH buffer packets are used to make pH calibration solutions. The powder must be mixed with distilled or reverse osmosis water. Tap water, filtered tap water, and spring water cannot be used to make the calibration solutions. Mix 1 packet of pH 4.0 powder into 250 milliliters of distilled water. Stir until most of the powder is dissolved. The buffers contain food-grade ingredients but should be kept away from children and pets. If possible, soak the meter in the pH 4 calibration solution for 20 minutes before calibrating. This prepares the probe for the first at-home calibration and increases accuracy. Immerse the meter just enough to cover the sensor. Now mix the pH 6.8 calibration solution. Stir to dissolve most of the powder. If you soak the probe, give it a quick rinse in distilled water. Place the probe in the 6.8 solution. Press and hold the temp cal button for 5 seconds and release. The display will flash 6.86. Once the flashing stops, give the probe a quick rinse in distilled water and place in the pH 4.0 solution. Press and hold the temp cal button for 5 seconds, release, then press and release the button once more. When the display stops flashing, the meter is calibrated and ready to use for most applications. To calibrate the meter for high-range pH testing, mix up the 9.1 buffer solution. Repeat the calibration with the 6.8 and then 9.1 pH buffers. Place the probe in the 6.8 solution. Press and hold the temp cal button for 5 seconds and release. The display will flash 6.86. Once the flashing stops, give the probe a quick rinse in distilled water and place in the pH 9.1 solution. Press and hold the temp cal button for 5 seconds and release. Immediately, give the button 2 more quick presses. The display will flash 9.1. When the display stops flashing, the meter is calibrated and ready to use. Your pH meter should be stored with a few drops of pH 4 buffer solution to keep the probe moist. The pH calibration solutions can be stored in glass containers and reused for several weeks. Label the jars to avoid mix-ups when calibrating later.